Everyone, Gil here at Camppatton Family Compound. Alright, I'm not sure how well you can see this, but man, it's just blowing. Look at that. Even under the cover here, it's just blowing through here so bad. It's insane what's going on out here right now. I mean, it's just absolutely nuts. There we go. I got a quick moment I can step out here and I mean, up there, it's sticking up there in the rafters and stuff all the way down and stuff. Just look at that going. Wow. Holy macro. Ooh, shoot. That is some insane snowstorm going here. I can just imagine we're not getting nearly as bad as what California is getting up in the Sierra Nevadas.